here is the next place to stay, HYATT Regency Aruba. It's not all-inclusive place, but let's see, maybe it's so cheap that we can afford everything here. And also, it's not only adults on the hotel, it's a family friendly. Yeah, it's somewhere behind these bushes. So, and it's like long beach with like bunch of hotels. So let's see how crowded it is. And it's called Palm Beach. So here is the driveway, main entrance with valet parking, and here is the lobby. Unfortunately, we had to stay at line because like they are so busy. And this is the main tower. This is the main tower on the side, and this is the whole common grounds. Unfortunately, it's not that big and nothing special. Here is the adults pool only, and here is the sad story. They put these birds inside this cage. So sad. They wanna fly and be free, but unfortunately they are here. So here is the family pool, of course jacuzzi, bar, restaurant. The starting price for the room $600 plus 15% resort fee, and you have to deal with day beds because it's hard to get. You have to call and reserve them, and especially if you want it next to the pool, and you have to pay $75 per day. And if you're not lucky, you have to pay for cabanas, and it's expensive. Or go to the beach. At the beach they have the same situation. If you want a first line, you have to pay $60 per day. If you want a for free day bed, and you have to be next to the sidewalk, so it's no fun at all. And also it's a public beach, you have to be careful with your valuables. So after all, I getting hungry and I decided to try this kosher pizza, and actually it's very good. I like it. It's exactly what I need during my lunch time. So by the end of the day, beach become like a ghost town after apocalypse. And to get your delicious breakfast, you have to wake up at 7 AM and you have to pay $71 per two person. And it's not very good. So, and here's our one king bed ocean view Trinitarium Suite. So basically they combine 3 rooms in one big space, so that's why it costs $2,000 per night. So it's basically the same if you go with 3 separate rooms, but here we have probably pull-out couch, dining table, and master suite with bathtub. So if it's not big enough for you, you can go and book a detached room, so it's gonna be connected to one big space. And also we have full-size kitchen but without stone, with mini fridge. So, and of course I have to check the yellow stains. Yeah, it's clean. Great! And let's talk about food. First of all, breakfast buffet. It's really basic, and dinner restaurant. It's kind of mass market. They are okay, but they just don't care about like food quality and your overall experience. And also we did like room service. Room service, it's average as well. So, is it worth it to stay here? Unfortunately not, because like it's very crowded, service is zero, you know, and where else? Everything it's like a high price US tag, but I found a lot of like kosher food. Basically they have a full kosher restaurant, full kosher ramen approved pizzeria place, and but anything else it's very, you know, kind of mass market place. If you want to go to Aruba, I think like Secret Baby Beach in Aruba, it's amazing place to spend your holidays. But if you don't have a kids or you go alone, because like there are adults only hotel, this one is family friendly, but I think you have to overpay much more and get just a little bit from your money from this space. After all, it's a HYATT Regency, it's a business hotel, but they don't have any more Regency Club. So I would say it's a HYATT place after that. And also, like, it's not all inclusive, you have to pay for everything, and on top of that they charge 15% resort fee. Yeah, what for? I have no idea, because like you have to pay for day beds on the beach, and if you're not fast enough to book your day beds next to the pool, you have to go and pay for cabana. So where else, like everything you want, I mean, like, I think like internet is free, you know, it's included to your resort fee, and pretty much that's it. So would I recommend this place? Probably not to my friends, but to my enemies, of course, yes. They have to pay a lot but get nothing. So yeah, if you want to get true luxury experience, and with your kids, of course, you have to go to Mexico. It's much better. But if you really like to go to Aruba, I highly recommend to book Secret Hotel. It's a brand new property with amazing service, good food. Yes, you pay a little more, but in general, I think like you will be much happier, and your price tag is gonna be even cheaper than here one, because it's all inclusive. You don't have to care about like your reservation, day beds and stuff like that. You know, you can drink wherever you like and unlimited. I like that, but no kids. So if you have kids, just leave them with grandma or like with someone else and go to your own vacation. So time to leave, and I forgot about like tipping system. So they like tip, so you have to tip everyone or not, like what's up to you. As you know, like 75% tourists from USA, so they have border inside Aruba. And YouTube thinks that you're gonna like this video, so just click it and subscribe. It's free. Bye.